Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So big up, big down last week. Ultimately, what we are forming yet again, and we've had quite a few of these this year, is a megaphone formation. There it is there. So trend was down, megaphone formation, possibility of it continuing down is good. But in my experience with megaphone formations, it's pretty much like a range, and the longer it goes on, the more likely that you have no idea which direction it's going to go. So you might as well flip coins, basically. For me, the structure is still up here. So that is at 098674. I'd want to see a rejection of that for a move to the downside. Oscillators are rolling over, so that does look like we should be looking for our shorts at the moment. But looking at what happened on Friday, big down, big up, big down, moving averages flat. This is basically ranging, and I have no interest in trading it. So if we get down to the bottom end of this megaphone, 095892, probably an opportunity to buy. And if we get to the top, probably an opportunity to sell. But while we are hovering like this in what went on most of last week, so you can see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days that we've been going sideways. I am sit on sands at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen, different picture. We keep moving to the upside, and the longer we stay like this, the more cautious I am. And there's nothing really on the 8 hour that's going to excite us. But you can see Thursday, big up, big down, and then we just gradually continued to the upside. Big gap here. Maybe that acts as some kind of a magnet for us. I would like something like that, to be honest, at 14.7970. Don't think we're going to get it. And if I just drop down to the 15 minute, you can see we've got a bit of a flag forming here. So I'm kind of staying away from this. If you are going to trade this, you probably be well worth your while just watching the 15 minute and trade the 15 minute. So you're looking for your levels. There's a level. I'll put a couple of them in for you. There's one there, which wasn't tested successfully this morning. So that would be a buying opportunity. Failing that, this down here would definitely be a buying opportunity, but it would be off there, right there. 147891. So that's kind of what I see. But because we are so overbought at the moment on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly, look at all the oscillators and look at how, when it goes straight up like this, there's always a problem brewing. So what goes up must come down, basically, and that's what we are waiting for, a half decent entry here. Anyway, I am kind of sitting on hands here. I'm not really interested in that right now. British pound, Japanese yen, could be a flag, could be a hanging man here. Grouping of the oscillators, I don't think we're going to be getting any breaks to the upside soon, but we do have a big cup and handle, with this being the neckline at 167256. So anything is possible. What you need to do is be paying attention to the hour, and this kind of setup would be ideal. We can get a big separation of the moving averages. Trend is up. We've moved up strongly. We're now ranging, so any break above here, 167256, is going to give you the opportunity for a long, bit of a big stop loss though, 2,500 pips below the swing low of Friday. But the other opportunity would be pretty much around this gap. You can see there is structure here at the gap as well, and I would just again look at the 15 minute. You can see chaos, yes, on Friday, sorry, but any pullback onto here, and any of these tails on the left of price, so not these ones, all these ones where prices drop below already, these 4 here, that would be your area, and this one here. I actually think all the way down, yeah, so you can go all the way down to that one there. So buying opportunities at the moment, going with the trend, would be 165738 and 165331. You're looking for a pin bar or inside bar engulfing bar. Look at that perfect pin bar of that structure. Alternatively, then you're looking at this area here at the gap, which is at 166367 or so. That's kind of the area that I'd be paying attention to at the moment. And then I'm looking for a retest of 167.256. You may get lucky with a nice big solid close above this area, and then that would more than likely give you a measured move of roughly 4,969 points to the upside, measured from here. So I do that. So somewhere around probably 170 is what you would be targeting. Around there. And you can see there is not much structure up there. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of the view, but if you just look to the left, look at all the sellers that came in here. So I'm not entirely convinced that we have it, but there is a lot of noise in the UK right now, so it is possible that we do get a break. If we do get a break, it's going to be pretty violent. So pay very close attention there. Lastly, Euro British Pound. Been sideways. We've touched the bottom. I mean, these levels that I've been playing most of the week, last week, on the upper end, 0.87831. On the lower end, we are talking about 0.86281. And then in the middle, we are at 0.87115. Those are the levels. It could be a crossover for a break. The downside could be a big head and shoulders here. So you can see it's almost like a double left shoulder, big head, and then there's your right shoulder. So this is the line in the sand, to be honest, 0.86281. Drop below that, and we do have some opportunities for shorts. Looking at the hour, we've had 2 days in a downward trend, so I would expect us, so long as we stay below the 155, looking to short this. It's down, consolidate, should be down. So wait for the gap to close. Anything up here would be worth testing, and you could probably just get it a little bit higher as well. There's some structure here. So 0.87273 would be my line in the sand, looking to short that. And to be honest, as soon as you've got price action, you're going to have your stop right above the price action and your entry just below that. So you should end up with like 150 point, 200 point stop loss. You're first looking for this area here at 0.86281. I might actually take some off the table there. Any pullback onto structure, because by then these tails would be in play. Get price action again, I'd look for another short there for anticipating a break of this. Get a break of this, then you have a measured move roughly of that. Okay, so that's kind of my view today for Forex. Just pay attention. It's probably worthwhile just being on the 50-minute if you are going to trade this, and watch the European session and then watch the start of the US session, because that start you'll have the whole world online basically. So you have Europe and the US trading. So that's when you're going to get your volumes and your volatility as well. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.